Chirag Sonone left. Right now. So we are solving examples on the MI. So next question is like this. Find MI of area bounded by y square equal to x and x square equal to y about x axis. Okay, so write down. To find MI of area bounded by y square equal to x. What is this? Parabola. Symmetric about y square is there, so symmetric about x axis and x square equal to y. This is also parabola. Parabola symmetric about y axis. These are the parabolas. This is one. Okay, another symmetric about the x axis. This is the area of integration. Common area is this area. No? What is the point of intersection? 1, 1. Okay. Now we want to find the limits. So we'll decide order in this way. Integration with respect to y first and then with respect to x. Limits of x are outer limits. They are minimum and maximum value of x.
And 1.
Absolutely. X equal to 0, and if we consider this line, that is x equal to 1. How to find limits of y? For that we have to consider a strip like this. Where the strip starts here. Here means where? From x square equal to y. What is value of y? X square. Where it ends along y square equal to x. Y square equal to x means what the value of y is?
X.
Plus minus root x. And which root we have to consider? Since area is in first quadrant, positive value. Okay, so these are the limits. You might have understood. Then to find any doubt, MI about x axis. Therefore, what the P is? Y. Okay. And now we have to use the formula. That's it. Okay. Moment of inertia is I equal to double integration. Again, nothing is given about the row keep as it is dx dy. So x equal to 0 to 1, y equal to x square to root x, p is y, so y square, rho is constant, integration with respect to y first and then with respect to x. Integrate with respect to y, rho is constant outside, x equal to 0 to 1, integration of y cube divided by 3. Okay. Rho 0 to 1. So x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 minus x raised to 6 divided by 3. Right, x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 minus x raised to 6 divided by 3. Now this is the single integral and we have to solve it, not a difficult part. I will integrate and write on the next page. Can I change the page? Can I change the page? Page change
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So write down. Rho x raised to 3 by 2, that is x raised to 5 by 2 divided by 5 by 2. Minus, it was minus, na? X raised to 7
Yes.
divided by 21.
Yes, sir.
So it is simply by this 2 by 15 and x is 1 minus 1 upon 21. इसका LCM वगैरह थे. What is LCM of 15 and 21?
सर 3 कॉमन घेतलं असतं तर मग
ही वेळ काय? बरं, ठीक आहे. Or 2 by 5 minus 1 upon 7. ठीक है, good idea. 2 by 3, 14 minus 5 divided by 35. Nine again, 3 can be cancelled. 3 by 35. Is it so? We'll get 9 in numerator and that can be cancelled. So 3 by 35, I think. 3 by 35 row. Are you getting answer up to this step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now read up. Next. Mass of the area is m equal to double integration rho dx dy. Write the limits. What were the limits? X equal to 0 to 1, y equal to x square So root x, rho is constant, integration with respect to y first and then with respect to x. Integration of dy is y, x square to root x. Is equal to 0 to 1. Root x minus x square dx. So x raised to half, that is x raised to 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2 minus x cube divided by 3. So 2 by 3 minus 1 by 3, lower limit is 0. So rho by 3. Thus, moment of inertia is 3 by 35 into rho. 3 by 35 into 3m. 9m by 35. Understood? Okay, great. We understood the concept. Go to the next part. Can we go through the next part? Center of gravity.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Center. Okay. Hope you might have written. Write it fast. Strength is only 32, and many of you are saying that we want extra lecture. How it is possible? You are not interested in regular lecture also. Again, those who are not present. Return fast, complete it. Okay, let me change the page. Center of gravity. Okay, start definition. The point through which the whole weight of body acts is known as center of gravity. Okay, round 1. CG of an arc of a curve CG of an arc of a curve. Okay, so consider a curve y equal to f of x. This is the curve. So our aim is to find the center of gravity of this part. Okay, say this is A, x equal to A, and x equal to B. Okay, so CG of arc from x equal to A to x equal to B is यहाँ पे है से this is the point where there is a center of gravity. Okay, right. Where now what the x bar is? X bar equal to x dm divided by just dm. X, what the dm is? Rho ds.
सर ते DS आहे का?
हाँ ds आहे. s काय देऊ ना आपण? If rho is constant, we can write it outside, and we can cancel the rho. So here we are considering that rho is not constant. So you remember this. Rectification of rectification of the curve, you remember? From there we will get the ds.
So ds तो distance है ना?
The s is the distance, ds is the derivative of that. Parametric curve now. Just remember the formulas. Okay. For the center of gravity of an arc, probably no question will be asked, and if it will be asked, it will be on the formulas. Okay.
सगळं ठेवायचं.
हा हे लक्षात ठेवायचं. नाहीतर एक्झामच्या वेळेस जवळ तरी ठेवायचं. ठीक आहे.
Yes, sir.
चलो next. Can I change the page?
Yes, sir.
सर एंड से में टाइम उतना ही मिलेगा?
1 hour?
यस
1 hour for 25 questions.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Let me change the page. CG of an area. Area A. Suppose center of gravity is at this point, x bar, y bar. What is x bar? Y साडेतीन चार पर्यंत
आपल्याला टर्म ऑफ एंटर करायचे आज मी तुम्हाला पाठवलं शीट पूर्ण शीट नंबर वाईज मार्क्स वगैरे सगळे केले ते एंटर करायचे. हां तेवढं करू लेक्चर झालं.
volume V. Suppose center of gravity is at x bar, y bar, z bar. I think you might have understood how the formulas are there. So denominator of all x bar, y bar, z bar is same. The numerator is different. We'll go through few examples. Find
One paper.
Okay, let me change the page. Example number 1. Find CG, center of gravity of area bounded by y square equal to x and x plus y equal to 2. Y square रहते हैं, हाँ? Area is bounded by parabola y square equal to x and straight line so we have to find point of intersection. Find value of x from the straight line and substitute that in the parabola. Okay. This will work. Y plus 2, y minus 1. Yes, why not? X is 2 minus up to 4. So one point on the line is 4 minus 2. When y is 1, are you getting these 2 points?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and what about the parabola symmetric about? Parabola symmetric about x axis. This is the parabola. And draw the straight line passing through 1, 1 and 4 minus 2. X is 4 minus 2. 1, 1. Isn't it? Our aim is to find CG of this area. somewhere ऐसे आएगा x bar y bar. Before we proceed, we should find the limits. What will be simple integration with respect to y first or x first? Anyone?
X.
If we integrate with respect to y first, is there any problem? Sresh? If we integrate with respect to y first, that is, if we try to obtain the limits of y by strip method, is there any problem? Anyone? Can we integrate with respect to y first? अरे सिंपल है, स्ट्रिप ले लो. ये स्ट्रिप है समझो.
नहीं करो ना सर आप पहले.
सर
बताओ
दो
लो.
पार्ट.
हाँ, वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. अरे बहुत अच्छा समझ रहे हैं आपको. वेरी गुड. See, lower limit is parabola, upper limit is straight line. But if I consider strip here, what is lower limit? Parabola. What is upper limit? Parabola. So I have to divide the area in two parts over here. है ना? And that I want to avoid. दो
Yes, sir.
इंटीग्रल आएंगे हर बार. Okay? That will become problem more difficult. So I want to avoid that. So integration. एवढं समजते की नाही? Integration with respect to x first and then with respect to y. So limits of y are constant. Minimum value of y. चलो y की मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या यहाँ पे है? ये जो पॉइंट है -2. एंड व्हाट इज मैक्सिमम वैल्यू? यहाँ पे देखो y की क्या वैल्यू है? y equal to 1. -2 to 1. Limits of x for that strip is required. चलो strip ले लेते हैं. ये है strip. यही भी ले लो, कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता. यहाँ पे लेना है, यहाँ पे ले लो.
Y square.
If you take if you take strip anywhere, na, doesn't matter. The lower limit will be parabola only. And what is x on the parabola? Y square. Where it ends? Along the line.
2 minus 1.
Absolutely. These are the limits. -2 to 1 and y square to 2 minus 1. और अब हमें फॉर्मूले लिखने हैं. And then we have to obtain the those integrals. That's it. -2 to 1, y square to 2 minus 1. Okay. Can I change the page? Page change कर सकता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
Okay. C center CG is at there is nothing given in example about the rho. It means that it is constant.
डिनोमिनेटर अपॉन डिनोमिनेटर आहे का?
N1 लिहिले फक्त मी ते.
N1. N आणि D काय आहे?
डिनॉमिनेटर अरे कुठे गेली?
तर पेज चेंज झालं.
हो ना. हो परत लिहितो. चलो 2 मिनिट लागतील. परत लिहितो. ओके.
N1 आणि D चा अर्थ काय असतो?
थांब की जरा. सब बताऊंगा. Rho is constant, so outside notation फक्त येते. N1 is the notation for the integral in numerator. D is for the denominator.
N का नाही लिहिलं?
सांगतो की. मी नाही सांगणार, तूच सांगायचं. I hope you might have understood why N1 is not written.
हा.
2 numerators are there, therefore. Okay. We'll solve one by one. Let me start with the simple part. D double integration dx dy. It is equivalent to finding the area of the shaded region. Y equal to -2 to 1. X equal to y square to 2 minus y. Check these limits. See whether they are correct. Integration with respect to मी तर म्हणत होतो सुट्टी आहे. Integrate. So y equal to -2 to 1. 2 minus y minus y square dy. 2y minus y square by 2 minus y cube by 3. Then lengthy hai. Upper limit is 1, so 2 minus 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 3 minus 2, so minus 4 minus 2 square plus 4, So minus 2 again. Minus minus plus 8 by 3. Simplify this. 2 minus 2 minus किती येते 5 by 6. 2 minus 5 by 6 किती होते 7 by 6. चेक करा. minus 6 8 3 24 plus 16 by 3. जरा चेक करा हे सर्व. हा please check this. Someone please cross check it. You can use KLC for that. झालं का पेपर तयार
कसलं
हे आपल्या टेस्ट
आहे ना ते कसलं कालचं लेक्चर मिस झालं होतं त्याचे नोट्स
16 I think wrong ना
10 by 3 येतं.
हा 10 by 3 येते बरोबर.
31 by 6.
हो 10 by 3 म्हणजे हे काय होईल 20 बरोबर ना. 6 7 as it is and 27 by 6.
11 by 6 येणार. 7 by 6.
नाही नाही ते बरोबर आहे रे. चेक कर 9 by 2 येते. Is it 9 by 2? Check your answer.
सर 11 by 6 येतं ना ते. 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3.
अरे -1 by 2 -1 by 3 -5 by 6 आणि 12 अरे ओके जरा बराच गोंधळ झाला दिसते. 11 by 6 ना
हा.
आणि प्लस 10 by 3.
31 by 6.
Absolutely 31 by 6. Okay, let me change the page. Now we'll find the n1 and after that n2. n1 so remember the limits y square to 2 minus y. Okay, काय विसरतो की लेक्चर सुरू आहे थोड्यानंतर कॉल करतो. लेक्चर सुरू आहे थोड्यानंतर कॉल करतो. हे लिमिट सांगा रे. हे लिमिट्स काय मला दिलेले नाही. आउटर लिमिट्स what are outer limits?
y square आणि 2 minus y.
outer
हा -2 आणि 1. पण y is equal to -2 आणि y is equal to 1 दिलंय.
आणि x equal to
y square to 2 minus y.
y square to 2 minus y ना बरोबर ना.
Yes sir.
x dx and then dy minus 2 to 1, x square divided by 2, y square to 2 minus y. So 2 minus y, integration with respect to y now. 2 minus y cube divided by minus 3, huh? Minus 6. Upper limit 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Minus 1 upon 6. Minus 1 upon 10. Minus of. Lower limit is minus 2. Minus of minus 2, 4. 4 cube. 64. Minus 2 raised to 5. 32 by 10. Lecture. हाँ
किती लेक्चर घेतोय
आज 4 लेक्चर यायचे.
देवा मग झालं
माझं हे संपलं
Finish?
शेवटचंच एक्झाम्पल सर.
बरं घ्या पटकन मग आपण
त्याबद्दल-
आज होमवर्क कम्प्लीटच करून टाकू.
हा हे जरा यूज कॅल्सी अँड टेल मी व्हॉट इज ते सगळं कॅल्क्युलेशन करून सांगा मला काय. Yes, who is getting the answer? Anyone getting the answer? अरे काय झेपते काय?
Four 32 divided by 60. 432 divided by 60.
432 divided by 60. हे करता येईल की सिम्प्लिफाय? जरा करून बघा काय ते. फिफ्टीन बाय 2. नाही 15 by 2 नाही. जरा सांगा.
108 divided by 15.
108 divided by
15.
thus x bar equal to n1 divided by d. n1 is 108 divided by 15 into d काय होता? What was the d? We have obtained it on previous page.
31 by 6.
31 divided by
6.
6. त्याचा रेसिप्रोकल घेतो. 6 divided by 31. Okay. So this will become 2. This will become 5. And now I think it is not cannot be simplified. काहीतरी चुकलेलं आहे कुठेतरी.
10 divided by 150.
8 by 5 is answer with me. आता तुम्ही ते क्रॉस चेक करा सर्व.
सर ते डिनॉमिनेटर 9/2 आहे.
अच्छा 9/2 चा आहे का तिथे?
हा सर मग 8/5 आलं ना मग 9/2 टाक.
म्हणजे 2/9. हा बरोबर असं बहुतेक करून बघतो मी. 108 divided by 15 into किती म्हणलास तू? 2/9. 12 आणि हे काय सिंपल होईल की आणखी 4. Yes, this is correct. This is correct, absolutely correct. So please check the denominator. It should be 2 by 9, 8 by 5. In the same way, you have to find n2. Right? Instead of x dx, now we have to take y dy and we have to find n2. Please do that yourself. Answer is minus 1 by 2. Y bar equal to minus 1 by 2. Please check it yourself. Let me go through the next example. Okay, so example is like this. There are difficult examples घेत नाही, सोपच घेतो. So. Yes, find. Next page. Let me change the page. Last example of M2. Sometimes it is known as centroid also, huh? One loop of r equal to a sin 2 theta. हे काय आहे r equal to a sin 2 theta? What it is? Anyone? What is it?
Rose curve.
Absolutely. Good. So n equal to 2. How many loops are there? 4 double if n is even. First loop along for the sin theta. Where is the first loop? Pi divided by 2n. Pi by 4. Okay, so it is like this. Those who want to revise the rose curve, see towards the screen and understand. This is the circle r equal to a, inside which the rose curve lies. Okay, now first step, divide each quadrant in n parts, n equal to 2, so 2 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. Theta equal to 0, pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, pi, 5 pi by 4, 3 pi by 2, 7 pi by 4. Now you have to draw the 4 loops. First loop along theta equal to pi by 2. So like this. Sorry. काय राहिलं आता? काहीतरी चुकलं. सॉरी हा, हे चुकलं की इथे पाहिजे होते.
हा 3 लूप काढ.
हे मला दिसत नाही इथं काय आहे. डोंट हॅव द पेन. मी अंदाजे करतोय. प्लीज वन मिनिट. ठीक आहे, आय ड्रॉ इट वन्स अगेन. आता काय खरं नाही हे पेज. चलो लेट मी गो टू द नेक्स्ट पेज.
Sir, page not changed. परत लिहूया, हे पेज कॅन्सल करूया. हा
find CG of one loop of r equal to a sine 2 theta. R equal to a sine 2 theta. Rows per n equal to 2. Number of loops 4. First loop along theta equal to pi divided by 2n, that is pi by 4. Now draw the circle. Theta equal to pi by 2. Actually, all these things are not required. So we are interested in this loop only. Tell me where the center of gravity will be, where the CG will be. Will be on this line only, na?
Yes, sir.
Right. So right. First loop is symmetric about line y equal to x. So CG is at x bar y bar, that is x bar comma x bar. X bar and y bar will be same, therefore. Hope you might have understood. Okay, so no need to find y bar separately. Once we find x bar, that will be sufficient. Okay, then limits theta
First
first.
quadrant घ्यायचं का sir?
You take any loop, na? If you want to consider loop in second quadrant, no problem. If you want to consider that in third loop, no problem. Okay. It is always better to consider it in first quadrant. It is asked to find center of gravity of one loop, any loop. So we consider first loop. And therefore it is on the line y equal to x, and therefore x bar equal to y bar. Therefore x bar is the center of gravity. At x bar the center of gravity is there. Okay, so theta. Yes, theta from where to where? When it starts from 0. Where it ends? Pi by 2. What about r? 0 to anyone? 0 to where? How the upper limit is applied?
A sine 2 theta.
Absolutely. These are the units. Let me go to the next page.
Sir, as you know that the A is the whole is the radius of this circle at end point. So I are taking A sine 2 theta.
Absolutely. You substitute theta equal to pi by 4 in r equal to a sine 2 theta. So it is r equal to a. So this point. Let me change.
So we can't take A directly.
Then we'll consider the whole quadrant. If you take r equal to 0 to r equal to a, na, and theta equal to 0 to pi by 4, it means that we'll consider the part of circle in first quadrant. The whole circle in the first quadrant. Let me cross check.
Yes,
You cross check and you will get the area of circle in the first quadrant if you take limits like this. Okay. Let me continue. Okay, slow down. x bar equal to
सर सर ते ए साइन 2 थिटा जर घेतलं तर मग ते चारही लूप्सचे येईल ना, एकच लूपचे पाहिजे ना पण आपल्याला एरिया.
हो ना, but we have restriction on theta 0 to pi by 2. R varies from 0 to
तर
sine.
मग फक्त थिटा घेतलं 2 थिटाच्या ऐवजी, म्हणजे ए साइन थिटा.
The curve will be different, na? If you consider R equal to A sin theta, right na?
क्वेश्चन चेंज होईल ना सर.
Question change will, na? नाही, curve change will. Question change will, curve change will.
ओके सर.
ऍक्च्युली ते तुम्हाला झेपन आणि ते मला काय आहे, वेळ कमी असल्यामुळे मला सांगायची जमीन. तुमचं कन्फ्युजन होते. आय एम गेटिंग
नाही सर,
इट.
ते तो डाऊट होता की फक्त ए साइन 2 थिटा 4 लूप्स झाले ना,
हो ना,
आपल्याला फक्त
बरोबर.
एक loop पाहिजे
हा,
म्हणून.
मग where the first loop is between 0 to pi by 2, where the second loop is from pi by 2 to pi, where third loop is from pi to 3 pi by 2, where the fourth loop is from 3
म्हणजे
pi
फक्त
by 2 to 2 pi.
थिटा मध्ये चेंज झाला असता का थिटाच्या लिमिट्स मध्ये?
हा, absolutely, absolutely, absolutely correct. R will be same only.
हॅलो सर,
हा, yes.
आपल्याला सीजी कोऑर्डिनेट फक्त एक्स आणि वाय मध्ये काढायचे का? आर आणि थिटा मध्ये नाही काढताय ना?
नाही, काही गरज नाहीये. आर आणि थिटा मध्ये काढले तर चालतील का? सो इन दॅट केस थिटा विल बी कॉन्स्टंट आणि आर कसा
कारण
काढायचा
आपण-
मग? हो, मला समजलं तुझं क्वेश्चन, पण तसं
नाही,
कुठं
कारण
नाहीये.
फॉर्म्युले फक्त आपण एक्स आणि वाय चे
हो
घेतले.
हो हो, करेक्ट करेक्ट करेक्ट. We can do like that.
नंतर फक्त डीएस साठी आपण थिटाचा वापर.
Right. I got your point. If we know x bar and y bar, and suppose at some point it is required center of gravity in terms of r and theta. काय म्हणते समजते ना? Suppose we know x bar and y bar,
Oh,
and
sir.
we want to find the coordinates of point in polar form. So obviously for this example, theta will be pi by 4. On the x bar y bar, it is on the line y equal to x, na? Therefore, right?
फक्त R
And
घेऊन
r will be equal to root of x bar square plus y bar square. We can find in that way. But the whole this formulas, na, they are developed for Cartesian form. They are not developed for the polar form.
ओके.
Okay, so if if you want to find r bar and say theta bar, then different formulas will be there, and that we have not developed. At least I don't know. At this moment, at least I don't know. Okay, let me continue. Rho x dx dy. Rho dx dy. Rho is constant. Nothing is given in example about the rho. Substitute the limits. X is r cos theta. Cos theta constant. Cos theta, and this is 2 sin theta cos theta. Now reduction formula number 4. Three minus one, 2. Stop there. 4 minus 1, 3. Then again subtract 2. Hope you remember the formula. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 subtract 2, subtract 2, subtract 2. P equal to 1. 3 will cancel. 2 by 55. Sixteen divided by 105 a cube. This is the numerator. Now we have to find denominator. Written everything.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me change the page. Denominator is, it's like finding area. So integration is upper limit sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta. So using reduction formula, it is 1 1 divided by 4 2 pi by 2. 2 2 will cancel. 8 pi by 8. Here, what is the n? I written it on the previous page.
16 a cube minus 105.
Huh?
16 by 105.
A cube.
16 by 105 a cube into 8 divided by pi a square. So, I cancel. Nothing will cancel.
128 by 105.
128 divided by 105. A square will cancel. A by pi. Yes, this is the answer. 128 a divided by 105 pi.
झालं.
Yes. दोनच वेळ आहे की कसं आहे तुमचं, काय प्लॅनिंग?
सर आता 15 मिनिट्स मध्ये
काय
जॅपनीज
जपानला जाणार तुम्ही? ओके, जरा एक्झाम्पल फक्त बघूया तरी ऍटलिस्ट काय काय असते, काय एक्सपेक्टेड एक्झाम्पल आहे हे दिसते स्क्रीनवर. द व्हॅल्यू ऑफ इंटिग्रल इंटिग्रेशन फ्रॉम, एक मिनिट हे जरा इन्क्रीज करतो, 0 to 2 0 to x e raised to x plus y dy dx येईल का सॉल्व करता? सोपं आहे की, करायचं काय आता? तुम्हाला किती वेळ आहे त्याच्यावर ठरवू आपण. हे ट्युटोरियलचे एक्झाम्पल आहे. उद्या कधी करणार? नाही, उद्या तुमचं क्रॅश कोर्स आहे ना?
काय उद्या?
क्रॅश कोर्स केमिस्ट्रीचा आणि कशाचा टेस्ट आहे उद्या. हा, दुसरं ऑप्शन आहे, वी कॅन सॉल्व दिस ड्युरिंग द क्रॅश कोर्स, काय प्रॉब्लेम नाही.
येस सर.
ठीक आहे त्यावेळी सॉल्व करू, चालेल, काय हरकत नाही. थांबू आपण, 1 मिनिट अटेंडन्स घेतो. कुठून अटेंडन्स घ्यायची? दोनच मिनिट. Okay, thank you for listening me patiently for the last 2 semesters. Chalo, you can leave.
Thank you for teaching us.
ठीक आहे, मला करायचं आहे, त्यातून काही माझी सुटका नाहीये.
हॅपी गुरुपौर्णिमा सर.
हा, चालेल. चला, गुरुपौर्णिमेला संपवलं सर. ठीक आहे, चलो, बाय बाय. यू कॅन लिव्ह, नो प्रॉब्लेम.
थँक्यू सर.
ओके, बाय बाय.
सिलेबस संपला का?
हा, संपला.
हो, संपला.
संपला नाही. येस, ओके.